Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is danger. Danger is a noun, and it means the possibility of harm or something that may cause harm. In simple terms, it's the risk of getting hurt or being in a harmful situation. We use the word danger all the time in everyday language to warn people or describe risky situations. For example, you might see a sign that says high voltage danger near electrical equipment. That means there is a high risk of electric shock. Or your mom might say, don't play near the road. There's danger from the cars. That means the cars could hurt you. Now, let's look at some words that have similar meanings to danger, also known as synonyms. One synonym for danger is risk. Risk also means the possibility of something bad happening. For instance, there is a risk of falling on the ice. Another synonym is hazard. A hazard is something that is dangerous or likely to cause damage. For example, the broken glass on the floor is a hazard. We also have the word peril. Peril suggests serious and immediate danger. The sailors faced great peril during the storm. You might also use the word threat. A threat is something that could cause harm or damage. Pollution is a threat to the environment. One more synonym is jeopardy. Jeopardy means being in danger of loss, harm, or failure. His reckless driving put his life in jeopardy. Now, let's look at words that have the opposite meaning to danger, also known as antonyms. One antonym for danger is safety. Safety means being protected from harm or risk. For example, the child felt safety in her mother's arms. Another antonym is security. Security means freedom from danger or threat. The airport has tight security measures. We can also use the word protection. Protection means the act of protecting or the state of being protected. The helmet provides protection for the cyclist's head. Another antonym is harmlessness. Harmlessness is the state of not being able to cause harm. The kitten's harmlessness made it a great pet. Finally, we have the word well-being, meaning the state of being comfortable, healthy, or happy. Exercising regularly promotes your well-being. So, how do we use the word danger in everyday life? Well, you might say, there's a danger of flooding if it keeps raining. Or, be careful, there's danger on that construction site. You might also hear phrases like out of danger, which means you are no longer in a risky situation. For example, the patient is now out of danger after the surgery. Or, in danger of extinction, which means a species is at risk of disappearing completely. Pandas are in danger of extinction. Here are some more examples of using danger in sentences. The firefighters faced great danger while battling the blaze. The sign warned of the danger of falling rocks. He was aware of the danger involved in climbing the mountain. Ignoring the warnings put him in danger. She skillfully navigated the danger and reached safety. The government issued a danger warning due to the approaching hurricane. Children should be taught about the danger of talking to strangers. The rusty bridge was a danger to drivers. The explorers encountered many dangers in the jungle. His bravery in the face of danger was admirable. Let's recap. Today, we learned that danger means the possibility of harm. We explored synonyms like risk, hazard, peril, threat, and jeopardy. We also looked at antonyms like safety, security, protection, harmlessness, and well-being. We also learned how to use the word danger in everyday conversations and phrases. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. Before we go, I have a challenge for you. I want you to create your own sentence using the word danger and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.